Hey peeps! Welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unbagging for you from New Craft Day. So, the items that I've got in here, I chose specifically with the idea that we are coming up to the festive period, and it is that time where if you're a crafter, you already need to be thinking about what am I making for the festive season. Probably, we should have already been thinking about this. But so these are items that I'm going to be working on for the festive season. It also works out really nicely that when I ordered these, New Craft Day were kind enough to tell me that they have got a Black Friday sale. And so they have given me an additional code, which will be in the description for this video. And the first 200 people that use that will get an additional Black Friday discount on any order that they place. This runs from the 11th of November, so has already started, to the 30th of November. So you have got time, take part and get what you want using their discount codes. So as always, my discount codes are always down in the description, and where possible I will always pop them on screen as well. So enough chatter, let's get into the bag. Okay, so first thing, I love doing the diamond painted wreaths. I've got a lot of seasonal wreaths that I've done. This one is a diamond painting rather than being a solid wooden or plastic wreath, but I'm thinking about backing it and cutting it up. So this is a nice partial diamond painting with special drills. So it is calling itself a 30 by 30, but obviously that will be for the whole canvas, and we are only really looking at 25 by 25 is being generous, and of course there's no diamonds in this central section either. The nice thing about it being a partial is that where we've got here it says believe in the magic. That will read perfectly because it's not going to be drilled. We've got our legend or key down the side, just very simple. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. No letters, no weird symbols. Got that repeated up here. So I think this is going to look very cute. You've got your standard boat wax pen, and we've got our diamonds. So let's have a look at those. We've got clear crystal, red, 2 bags of the same. No, those are slightly different colours of red. We've got a black, we've got a green, we've got a pure black. We've got this lovely AB crystal. We've got an orange, kind of peach colour, a coppery brown. We've got these special pearl, and we've got AB seed shapes. So the pearls are going to go wherever you see a number 11 on the canvas. The seed shapes are going to go into the snowflakes, and then the rest will be your standard rhinestone, or where are the black drills going? Just into, yeah. So that whole pack of black drills there is for 3 eyes. Oh no, sorry, 4 eyes. Yeah, the robin, the bunny, and the snowman. Oh, and we've got a cardinal there as well. So that's not, I don't know if that is a robin, but we've got a cardinal here as well with a little bit of black. But that's it. So there's not going to be any problem with you running out of drills. But yeah, so my thinking with this is that I'm going to do it. I'm going to paste it onto some poster board or something, and then cut it out so that it will still have that look of being a wreath, and I can display it on the wall in the house rather than having it as a picture. This was £3.85. Perfect little festive project. Great to complete and give as a gift, or if you've got somebody that maybe has seen your diamond paintings and they're a bit interested, this would be a nice thing to get them as a gift for them to complete themselves. So, as I say, £3.85, bargain. The next one caught me by surprise a little bit, because I had ordered this owl festive hanger. As somebody who, I myself don't celebrate Christmas the way that people may traditionally celebrate, being a pagan, I celebrate Yule, which is a little bit earlier in the year, and so I'm always looking for Christmas decor or festive decor that's a little bit different, and I thought that this was really nice. I was also perfectly happy to pay the £8.69 that they wanted for this. Then when it arrived and I was looking back through the listing to make sure that I had all the details, I realised that that £8.69 is for a pack of 2. So, complete bargain. I'm incredibly shocked and yeah, more than happy. So yeah, so you're getting 2 of these for your money. So I will only open one just now though. So, standard boat wax pen and a few baggies. We've got our drills. They are standard drills, no special ones. And then this is what we're going to be diamond painting. So we've got this little owl figure there. It is, I guess you could say it was a partial. We're not diamond painting this section or this section, just the owl itself. And then we've got this string to hang it up, and this will then affix above or below, I now can't remember. Let me just check the picture and see how it was. I will pop a picture up on screen so that you can see the way that they want it to be laid out. Right, okay, I understand now. So I think that makes a really nice and unusual winter decor. I think it will be very nice. You could of course add to this, yeah, you could display it in any way you wanted to, and having 2 of them, extra bonus. So yeah, I'm not going to go through the drills just because they are standard drills, there's no specials in there, but you can see the sort of colours that you're going to be getting. It is just letters that we are matching up, and we have no DMC, but that's fine, not a problem at all. This is of course, you peel back the clear coat in order to get to the sticky. But yeah, so I am super pleased. I think these will be gracing my festive displays. I'm looking forward to getting started on them. You may well see one of them worked on in a live come December, so keep an eye on those to find out what's coming, and of course hit the bell if you want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. So huge thank you to New Craft Day for sending me these items. Reminder to you guys to get onto the New Craft Day website sooner rather than later. Make the most of their Black Friday sale, as well as using my discount code, which is always down below. So that's all from me for today. If you enjoy my content, remember to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and if you'd like to support the channel more directly, feel free to pop on over to Patreon and see what I've got on offer over there. That's all from me for today. Until next time, stay crafty.